At David's Mobile Tech RV Services, we understand the freedom and joy of RV living. That's why we're here to help you keep rolling smoothly. As a certified NRVTA and NRVIA mobile RV technician and inspector, we proudly serve Edmond, Oklahoma and the surrounding areas with top-notch, reliable service. Whether you need on-site assistance or expert guidance through our tele-technician services, we've got you covered for all your RV needs. As a family-owned military-affiliated business, we bring compassion, professionalism, and precision to every job. It's our mission to help you experience the beauty of RV life with less stress and more adventure. Don't let technical hiccups slow you down. Reach out to David's Mobile Tech RV Services today. Call us at 405-613-1910 to book your service or get the support you need. Let us help you live your RV dreams. David's Mobile Tech RV Services, where we make your RV journey smooth, beautiful, and worry-free.